Do you know how easy it is to buy and sell things on Jhigu Bazar? To do so, just go to jhigubazar.com or download the Jhigu Bazar app. You can register your account either through Google, Facebook, or email. If you want to sell something, go to the listings page and click the Post an Ad button. Then, upload some photos of the item you want to sell. Add some details such as search tags, description, and price of the item. Finally, add your contact details and post the ad. Interested buyers will contact you through a phone call or the built-in messenger in the app. And if you want to find something you want, just swipe down on the main page, type in the item you're looking for, and press the search button. After that, keep swiping left to browse through the items, and if you like something, swipe right to add it to your shortlist. If you have any queries, you can swipe up and ask questions directly to the seller. You can even negotiate the price if you wish through messages. When you're happy with the offer, visit the seller directly to inspect the item and finalize the deal. This way, you can easily buy and sell old as well as new things through Jhigu Bazar.